Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Today, we delve into the 4 key parts of your 4x4 that demand inspection after an off-road adventure. Ensuring these components are in top shape is crucial for maintaining your vehicle's performance. 4 key parts of your 4x4 to inspect after an off-road trip. When returning from an off-road adventure, it's crucial to inspect specific parts of your 4x4 vehicle to ensure it remains in optimal condition. Regular maintenance is essential for preserving the performance and longevity of your vehicle, especially after navigating challenging terrain. In this article, we'll explore the 4 key components of your 4x4 that require thorough inspection post-off-road excursions. By prioritizing the assessment of these critical areas, you can address any potential issues promptly, allowing you to enjoy future off-road trips with peace of mind. Tires and wheels. Tire wear and tear. Inspecting the tires after an off-road excursion is crucial to ensure their longevity and performance. The tread depth should be examined to assess the level of wear and tear. A quick and simple way to do this is by using a tread depth gauge. Ensure that the treads are not excessively worn down, as this could affect traction on different terrains. Look out for any signs of uneven wear across the tire surface, which could indicate alignment or suspension issues that need to be addressed. Wheel alignment. Off-road adventures can take a toll on the wheel alignment, causing it to shift from its optimal position. Checking for uneven tire wear is a common indicator of misaligned wheels. If the vehicle pulls to one side while driving on a flat road, it may also signify a need for wheel alignment. Getting the wheels realigned after an off-road trip is essential to maintain safe and efficient driving. A professional wheel alignment service can rectify any misalignments and ensure even tire wear, improving the vehicle's overall performance and safety. Suspension system. When venturing off-road, your vehicle's suspension system takes a beating. Here's what to inspect. Shock absorbers. Your shock absorbers, also known as dampers, are crucial for maintaining control and stability on rugged terrain. Check for leaks, visible damage, and excessive bouncing after pushing down on each corner of your vehicle. If you notice any of these signs, it's time for replacements to ensure a smooth ride on your next adventure. Springs. The springs in your 4x4 play a vital role in supporting the vehicle's weight and absorbing impacts. Look for any signs of sagging, cracks, or breaks. Additionally, pay attention to any unusual noises when going over bumps, as this could signal issues with the springs. Bushings. Inspect the bushings in the suspension system for wear and tear. Worn-out bushings can lead to a range of issues including clunking noises, poor handling, and uneven tire wear. Grease them if applicable or consider replacing them to maintain optimal performance during your next off-road excursion. Undercarriage. Skid plates and underbody protection. The undercarriage of your 4x4 vehicle is subjected to a lot of abuse during off-road adventures. Skid plates and underbody protection play a vital role in shielding the vulnerable parts of your vehicle from damage. These components are designed to safeguard the undercarriage from rocks, tree branches, and other obstacles that could cause harm. One key area to inspect is the condition of the skid plates. Check for any signs of bending, cracking, or other damage. Ensure that they are securely in place and haven't loosened during the off-road excursion. Additionally, inspect the underbody protection to see if it has sustained any wear or damage. Drivetrain components. The drivetrain components, including the differential, transfer case, and drive shafts, are essential for maintaining the functionality of your 4x4. After an off-road trip, it's crucial to inspect these components for any signs of damage or excessive wear. Start by checking the differential and its housing for any leaks or visible damage. Next, examine the transfer case for leaks and ensure that all the bolts are tight. Inspect the drive shafts for any signs of dents, bends, or damaged universal joints. Additionally, listen for any unusual noises that could indicate a problem with the drivetrain components. Ensuring that these undercarriage components are in good condition is vital for the overall performance and longevity of your 4x4 vehicle. Regular inspections and proper maintenance will help prevent costly repairs and keep your vehicle ready for the next off-road adventure. Fluids and filters. When you return from an off-road adventure, it's crucial to inspect the fluids and filters in your 4x4. This step is essential for maintaining the vehicle's optimal performance and ensuring its longevity. Let's delve into the key aspects to focus on during this inspection. Oil and fluid leaks. Begin by checking for any oil or fluid leaks underneath the vehicle. Inspect the engine, transmission, transfer case, and differentials for any signs of leakage. Addressing leaks promptly can prevent potential damage to vital components and avoid more extensive and costly repairs down the road. Air filter. The air filter is a critical component that prevents dirt, debris, and contaminants from entering the engine. After a rugged off-road excursion, the air filter may be clogged with dust and grime. Inspect the air filter for any signs of blockage or excessive dirt accumulation. If the filter appears dirty, it's advisable to replace it to maintain proper airflow to the engine. Breather system. The breather system in the 4x4 vehicle plays a crucial role in venting gases from the differentials and transmissions. During off-road driving, the breather system is exposed to excessive dust and moisture. Inspect the breather tubes and ensure they are free from blockages. Additionally, check the breather caps for any signs of damage or wear. Proper maintenance of the breather system is vital to prevent contamination of vital fluids and maintain the vehicle's performance in challenging conditions. By paying close attention to the fluids and filters, you can ensure that your 4x4 is ready for your next off-road adventure, performing optimally and reliably. Regular inspection of your 4x4 vehicle after an off-road trip is crucial for ensuring its longevity and optimal performance. By paying close attention to the tires, undercarriage, suspension, and fluids, you can identify and address any potential issues before they escalate. This proactive approach not only safeguards your vehicle but also enhances your off-road experiences, enabling you to navigate rugged terrains with confidence and peace of mind. Stay vigilant and prioritize post-trip inspections to keep your 4x4 in prime condition for your next adventure. If you find this video insightful, please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.